If you want to remove an object from a photo on the Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we're gonna open the Photos app. Once we are here, we need to choose the photo that we wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and let's go and press edit. Now here we can go to Tools and then choose Magic Eraser. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Now I can circle or brush the subject that we want to remove. So let's say I'm gonna select this object over here, these earbuds, and let's see if we can remove them. Sometimes you might want to do this a couple of times so that you also get rid of, for example, these shadows that you, as you can see, have been left by the Magic Eraser. So I'm gonna select these shadows as well. Let's see if the tool can pick it up. There we go, it looks a little bit better. And of course you can just keep going in order to try to mask it better. But once you are done, you can simply press down over here in the bottom right corner, and then we can save copy. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.